The best time to convert 457B to Gold IRA in 2026. Rising inflation, market uncertainty, and changing tax policies are pushing many investors to rethink how they protect retirement savings. That's why understanding the best time to convert 457B to Gold IRA in 2026 is more important than ever. A well-timed rollover can help preserve wealth, reduce risk, and add long-term stability to your retirement plan. Gold has a long history of holding value when paper assets struggle. Unlike stocks or bonds, it isn't tied to corporate performance or government debt. But timing matters. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Knowing when to act in 2026 can make a meaningful difference. 1. Watch the economic outlook for 2026. Economic forecasts suggest ongoing inflation pressure, fluctuating interest rates, and government spending concerns. When inflation rises or confidence in markets weakens, gold demand often increases. Converting part of a 457B during these periods may help protect purchasing power. 2. Convert during market volatility. Gold often performs well when stock markets decline. If 2026 brings market corrections, recession fears, or global instability, that volatility may present a strong opportunity to roll over funds into a Gold IRA. 3. Pay attention to tax changes. A 457B to Gold IRA rollover can be tax-free when done as a direct trustee-to-trustee transfer. If new tax laws or higher future tax rates are expected, converting earlier in 2026 may help lock in current advantages. 4. Consider your age and retirement timeline. Investors nearing retirement age or turning 59 and a half in 2026 often find this an ideal time to convert. Career changes or retirement transitions also make rollovers easier and more practical. 5. Monitor the US dollar. Gold typically strengthens when the dollar weakens. If the dollar declines due to debt or inflation concerns, converting during that window can enhance long-term value. Benefits of converting 457B to Gold IRA. 1. Inflation protection. 2. Portfolio diversification. 3. Tangible asset ownership. 4. Long-term wealth preservation. Choosing the best time to convert 457B to Gold IRA in 2026 requires planning, not guesswork. By watching market signals, tax policy, and personal retirement goals, investors can make a smart, strategic move. A properly executed Gold IRA rollover may offer peace of mind, stability, and protection in an uncertain financial future. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.